Om everyone. I'm doing first time the session today, and really thankful to Sarvanji, Sarvan Podar, and I really appreciate to give me the opportunity. And
लोग
thank
हमको
you.
प्यार से शाम बोलते हैं, श्रवण पोद्दार नहीं बोलते हैं, शाम. That's it.
Yes, Sam.
Short and
Samji.
nice, simple.
Thank you very much, Samji, and also thank you very much, Sheetal Ben Gandhi. If I make any mistake, please forgive me. Okay, we'll start today's session, and we'll start. Everybody can take Sukhasana, Padmasana, whatever you feel, or chair, and it's better to sit on the pillow so you get little bit, your leg goes little bit straight, back goes straight, and we'll chant Om 3 times. Rub your hands and cup on your eyes, and we'll start now the warm-up exercise. Yeah, so if you can stand up, that's fine, or you can sit on a chair as well. So yeah, first we'll start with the jogging. You can see, yeah, we can do jogging slowly. Yeah, you can take your right feet up and let left hands, like, yeah. And now we can do hands up. Now we can do star jump, but it's a first step is you can do, if you have any back problem or anything, you can do like that. And if you can do star jump, you can also do like this. There's a 2 ways you can do. Yeah. Now we can do try and touch your toes and lift your right hand and bend. If you have any back problem, do not bend, yeah. Yeah. Now we can do that like this. But if you have any back problem, do not bend back. If you have any hernia problem, do not bend forward. Yeah. Yeah. And now we can do twist. Turn your right side and your feet goes left side. And now we can do Trikonasana. Left hand touch right toes. Yeah. And you can do your straight your hands, both hands, and try and turn on the right side. breathe in, breathe out. When you go back, breathe in. When you come up front, breathe out. Yeah, and now we can do so Tadasana. Put your both hands together, put it on your hand, and try and lift your knee, yeah, on your toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. This is very, very good stretches, yeah. Now we can sit down and take a breathe in and slowly breathe in, breathe out, yeah. Relax, yeah. And now we can all take a seat and we can do some asanas, yeah. First we can do Bhujangasana. Is it okay, sir? Yeah.
Lighter if you just do the grinding first. Warm up, just going to do your grinding, which is easier, you know that easily.
Yeah.
That might give you more confidence, you know.
Yeah.
Just
Yes.
gaining your confidence. Your leg up.
Keep your hands apart. Yeah. Sorry.
Leg together.
The leg straight and keep join. And we'll do grinding. Join your hands and keep your hands straight. And we'll go do grinding. Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. If you
No,
have
no,
any
you,
back
when you go
problem,
back, you
don't
breathe in. When you go back, you breathe in. When you go forward, you breathe out.
breathe out. And if you have any back problem, do not bend forward. And if you have any hernia problem, or if you have any surgery last 6 months, or if you have having a baby, or if you have a monthly cycle, do not bend forward. Yeah. This asana, this is very, very good. It helps to reduce hips and feels also mobility as well.
Reduce your waistline.
Yeah, reduce waistline, yeah. And we'll do reverse, yeah?
Yeah.
We'll go turn left and yeah. Breathe in, breathe out, yeah? Breathe in, breathe out. And now we can do leg apart and try and touch left leg to right toe and right hand to left toe, yeah? Keep smiling, yeah? Yeah. And shall we do दूध से मक्खन निकालेंगे?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Keep your both legs straight, and we'll take a makhan out from the milk. Yeah. So right knee and left. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah, well done. Shall we do?
Now do the hand exercise. The hand drill.
We'll do hand exercise now, and we'll do like a first finger straight. Make sure your hands are straight. Is very, very good for cervical arthritis, frozen shoulder, and it's very, very good. Yeah. So we'll do like this. Breathe in, breathe out. Now make a fist and now we will rotate, yeah? Make sure these knuckles are together, moving together, touching and and we do reverse now, yeah. This is really good for a frozen shoulder, and yeah.
Also very good for carpal tunnel, your wrist, arthritis of the wrist.
Yeah. And now we can touch the shoulder and now we can do on sideways. And we can join these two hands and we can do like this and turn on the right. It give you good stretches on your back, yeah, for upper back. Now shall we do acupressure?
No, just do the first.
We can do, yeah, shoulder exercise. We touch the shoulder and yeah, touch the elbow and now we can do reverse. Yeah. And now we can join these two hands and we can do, and then we can press the two elbows, try and squeeze, yeah. Release. And now the right hand touch the forehead and try and push it. Hold, release. And now left hand. And now you can do in a front, yeah. And now we can rotate our two hands, like try and touch your shoulder to ears and try and rotate. And now
what's the benefit of this one?
It's release all the stiffness from the neck and shoulder.
Frozen shoulder, yes. What
Frozen
else?
shoulder and upper back and
Yeah. What else?
Spondylitis.
No, that's also knee pain because you're rubbing your knee down, so release knee pain, and
Yeah,
also
it's
you're
really
learning to love yourself. I'm just trying to guide you, just some simple things. You'll come to yourself automatically once you start doing it.
Yeah.
Good, excellent,
Now
well
we
done.
can do reverse.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, and now we can do neck exhale. We do neck exercise. Yeah, take your neck on, breathe in, breathe out. And now we can turn our neck like a pendulum, right and left. Yeah. And now we can rotate our
look behind your back.
Look at the right hand side. And now we'll rotate our head, yeah, but make sure you keep your eyes open, yeah. And now we can do reverse.
Next, I'd like you to do the Mandukasana. Mandukasana.
Yeah.
That's it. On the Vajrasana.
Yeah, we can all sit on a Vajrasana. If you are sitting on a chair, that's fine. Yeah. And make a fist and make sure you touch both hands and keep it near the your navel. Yeah. And then breathe in. But if you have any hernia, do not bend forward. Yeah. Breathe in and go turn. Hold the breath.
Try to do Kapalbhati 1 per second for 1 minute.
Yeah, you can do Kapalbhati if you can for 1 second, and is a benefit, gives you more benefit.
It releases more insulin to help to balance the sugar level.
Sugar level, yeah. It's very, this Mandukasana is very, very good for diabetic people, yeah. Breathe in. You can do this asana 20 times. Breathe in, breathe out. It's 3 times, yeah. That's more beneficial, yeah. Shall we?
Next is the
Can you can put the right left hand on the right, left hand on the right hand, and take a deep breath and do Kapalbhati. Same time, if you can do it in a Khichdi mudra, it's more beneficial. One second per one breathe, yeah. If you have a last 6 months surgery, please try and ask your doctor, GP, and do it, yeah. Now both hands on the top, and then try and go bend forward and do Kapalbhati. Yeah. So that's
well done. Now, if you have a sore back pain, which exercise would you do?
Back pain.
The back pain. If I have a back problem, you're teaching me what exercise you want me to do for prevention of my back pain. Anything you feel, just do whatever you feel. No problem. First, you lie on your stomach. Lie on your stomach.
Lie on the stomach, yeah.
Yes, yeah, do this one.
Yeah.
On you go.
It's a Bhujangasana, and keep your both hands on the chin. Yeah. Yeah. And try and touch. Breathe in and breathe out. So this, take your right foot, try and touch as much as, don't force, do slowly. Yeah, practice will make you perfect. So breathe in, breathe out. Yeah. And then you can also do 2 feet together if you can. This is a very good for a back pain, yeah. And then you can keep your hands like this and try and come up, yeah. Breathe in. Do slowly, yeah. If you have any back problem, do not go higher. Yeah. And then now to put your left hand on top of right hand, and then try and come up. This will help you to release your back pain. Yeah. And now you can do turn right, and you can try and lift and try and look at the right toe. Turn on the left and look at the right toe and go down. And now turn on the right and try and look at the left toes. Yeah. So this is a Bhujangasana, yeah? Yeah. And then you can put both hands underneath, yeah? And then try and lift one foot at the time and breathe in, breathe out. Yeah. And then you can do one right hand on the front and try and lift left hand, left leg, yeah? And then left hand in front and try and lift right hand leg, yeah? Like right feet, yeah.
Just like a Superman pose.
That's a Superman pose, yeah.
That's it. We all know it
Yeah.
from our school days, younger, when we were young.
Yeah, and then you can lift your head and legs together.
This is a good time to take a 30-second rest. Just put your hand and just take a rest for 30
Now,
seconds.
everybody have a put your two hands and on top of your head on the two hands and take a rest and breathe in, breathe out. Now, try and turn either left or right and turn in the front, yeah? You turn on the back, yeah. Now we can do Pavan Muktasana.
No, they're still doing the back problem one. So you have to bend your knee, do the bending the knee at both sides, right and left. You know, the
Yeah.
monkey
That's a
pose.
Muktasana, yeah?
Monkey pose, you call it.
Yeah.
That's it. Well done, well done. That's good.
Keep your hands straight.
You're doing very well, Bhattaji. Don't worry, you're doing very well. Just perfect.
Thank you.
Just getting.
Both legs,
That's all.
yeah, and
That's it.
both leg goes on the left and you look in the right, yeah.
That's it.
And turn on the right, look at left, yeah. Breathe in and breathe out. And now you can put both leg little bit separate, yeah, far, and then your knee, left knee will touch on your ankle, yeah. This gives you more stretch on the back, yeah. And now you can put your 2 feet straight and a right foot on the left and try and touch the toe, yeah. Now slowly come. Now left leg, try and touch and look at on a, yeah. This give you full body back stretch, yeah. Yeah. So this is for a full body exercise, back exercise, yeah. And now we can do
Nokasana.
Naukasana, yeah. 2 feet goes up and do as much as possible, yeah. Don't stretch yourself, yeah. This is called Naukasana. Yeah. Now we can take your left leg on.
No,
40
then you do
degrees.
the Pawan Muktasana.
Yeah. Pavan Muktasana. We'll do Pavan Muktasana. This will help to release any gas in the stomach. Yeah. So hold your right feet, put your left leg straight. If you are sitting on the chair, you can still do it. And breathe in and breathe out. When you breathe out, go up, breathe in. Now we'll do left leg, yeah? And now we can hold both legs and we can go breathe on. When we go up, we do breathe out, breathe in. Yeah, and now we can do rolling, roll. Yeah.
Now you can do the leg up in the air for your waistline. All the exercise you were doing before. That's
Yeah.
it.
Now we can right leg up. If you can do 40 degrees, leg hands are straight, and we go do round like a big zero.
No. No, first take the leg up and down first. 10
Yeah,
times.
we can do leg up.
That's
and
it. Excellent.
left up. Yeah, slowly bring down. Make sure you don't get your jerk in your body. Yeah. Yeah. Now we can take the right leg up and we can make a big circle. And while you're doing, it's a breathe in, breathe out. And now we can do reverse, yeah? Same leg, right leg, reverse, anti-clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out. And now we can put it on the floor and lift the left leg and make a circle. And now reverse, yeah? Yeah. So,
Now you bend your leg and do the cycling.
yeah, bend your legs. And we do cycle now. Yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. And now we can do reverse, yeah? Yeah. Yeah.
After every physical exercise, you have to learn to relax in Savasana.
We do all do Savasana now because we've been all working hard. So relax yourself. Yeah. Relax on the toes, knees, back, shoulder, neck, head, and all organ in the body, liver, heart, kidney. I don't have any pain. I am a peaceful and powerful soul. God's blessings showering on me. I have gurus, the teachers. So I have to no worry. I am a very pure soul and blessed soul. So rub your hands and cup on your hands. And you can put all the good energy all over your body. So you feel so relaxed. Now we all can turn on one side and sit down.
Big clap for you. Well done, Basaji. Excellent. For first time, you done very well. It's just a matter of learning the sequence. That's all.
So
Practice
what do I do now, Sarvanji?
That's it. You've done your job. You're perfectly good job. You completed your task.
Thank you very much.
Well done. No, really
After
proud
all
of you.
yoga session, we have to thank our God,
Yes.
teachers, Dhartima, everyone, and Guru Devo, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Guru Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tatsmai Sarve Namaha. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May all
enjoy prosperity.
May none
None
suffer.
suffer.
Om Shanti Shanti.
That
Well
was
done.
excellent. Really.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Well done.
Don't-
Everyone today give me support. I really appreciate.
I'd like to go to first to Hamsaji. What you have to say regarding Varsaji's yoga class? You have to unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself first. You have to unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Varsaji. Hamsaji, you have to unmute yourself. Sound हटाना पड़ेगा आपका. Hamsaji, we can't hear you. You have to unmute. That's it. फिर से नहीं. अभी नहीं हुआ. अभी भी mute नहीं हुआ. That's
Can
it.
you hear me now?
आप सुन सकते हैं. बोलिए.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now. Hamsaji.
Yeah, I have benefited such a lot in a lockdown. This is a boon for me, people like me who can do some exercise and use their brain as well. It's
Thank you.
really good. It helped me
Thank-
such a lot, and I feel more energetic and I've got more energy in my life. And I can do a lot more than I used to do now.
Excellent. Excellent. Well done.
It is really a boon, I think.
Well done.
It's
ठाकुर
good.
भाई, आप कुछ कमेंट कीजिए वर्षा जी का योगा के बारे में. Positive comment, what we can, please. Don't mind. Give an encouragement.
Varsha, you have done very well. Considering it's your first one, well done, very well done. Bless you. You have done very well. And it encouraged us all to do the same. You've explained very well. And I thank you for that.
Yeah.
ठाकुर
नहीं,
भाई.
वर्षा जी ने किया is quite good for the first time, or she has got some power of explaining. Again, after some experience, she will be able to pick up everything. और जो exercise है, the sequence है, वो भी she will gradually pick it up. But I think she has got a confidence in her.
Yeah.
Whilst she is watching all of our program, and yourself, myself, and any other teachers, experienced teacher can come in and every now and then make some improvement, and she will be able to pick up. And I think she has got some sort of ability to go forward. So I think I wish you all good luck, and keep with us and get as much train as possible. We got very experienced. Sheetal ji hai, aap hai, aur bhi hai. Mani ji
ठाकुर
hai.
भाई, she looks like a yogi anyway already. Whatever she says, she looks like a yogi. Excellent. You know, that's the positive thing. You know. Well
Yeah,
done.
that's- also it
What-
makes a lot of difference.
She
Yeah,
looks the
that's
part.
right. Yeah,
Sometimes you don't need to know much. As long as you look the part, you're halfway there already.
that's right. Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah.
What about anybody else want to say something? Rajji, anything else? Just to give the Varsa a bit confident on her way journey to.
I just want to applaud her, that's all.
That's it. Thank you very much. That's nice.
It's good.
I think she done very well for the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, very well. Yeah, like Thakur Bhai said, you know, you did talking during
Yeah.
your session. It was very good. You know, keep your mind active. You know, so that
She was saying to me
very good.
before,
Explain.
she wrote down a lot of paper, teared up, wrote it down, tear up. She went to bathroom quite often as well. All those kind of panic, kind of stress. That's what the stress does, you know.
Yeah.
It's
But
like
she was
having an
very-
exam, isn't it? I'm sorry to put you through that, Barsaji. We didn't mean to. Just
I
be
think
just be yourself. That's it.
I think she kept going, you know, which was really good. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah, that's it. She never gave up. That's the beauty of her, you know. That's what I liked about her.
Yeah.
Well
अभी
I
done.
feel
very-
so
एक और बात
confident.
सरवण जी आपको शायद बतानी पड़ेगी कि जो सीक्वेंस है हमारा योग का, वो सीक्वेंस इफ यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई
That's it. That's
फॉर
important.
द न्यू कमर कि वो
Yes.
सीक्वेंस पर जाना है.
पर आज हम नहीं चाह रहे थे उसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा स्ट्रेस देना, इसलिए तो प्यार से
Yeah.
समझा रहे थे.
नहीं ये ठीक है, आज का ठीक है, as a beginner that's quite good, but
But then
slowly-
we can give her all the individually one-to-one. Maybe I have to give a class to her, showing her the sequence in a sense she can follow it and write it down and follow those through. It's like the manager does. Laminate कर लो, लिख है कैसे क्या करना है, फोटो को सामने लगा दो. Then you're
Can I
looking
show you?
something different.
I'll show you, people hasn't seen it yesterday.
Cheater.
Yeah, I've got someone right in front of me.
No, but that's a good idea. Excellent idea. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, it's a good
Even
idea.
people in the news reader, they have an article in front of them. They don't read off the hand. They
Yeah.
read to the computer screen and all that. Anyway, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
No, but it's very good. You know.
Very good. So, Sharon,
Sorry.
Surika ji.
doing well, very happy, very pleased. Yay!
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's great.
So I think that's good. Excellent. Thank you very much, everything. And I'll copy the video and send it to Sheetal ji, so she can send it to Varsa ji to look at yourself and realize where you are gone right, where you have gone wrong, where you can bring more improvement to yourself. And anyway, we can help you. We're there. And I would like to bring you back in 4-6 weeks time to show what improvement you have made to your training again. As Thakur Bhai said, try to get the sequence right is very important. That means if somebody goes to my class, somebody goes to Thakur Bhai class, somebody goes to your class or anybody's class, they're getting the same kind of package. And then on the end, you can do a lot of extra. If you're physically fit, you can add a lot of things onto that. Nothing wrong with that. But you should at least all do the simple thing to promote health, like a back pain ke liye, weight loss ke liye, knee pain ke liye, heart exercise ke liye. These are simple things we have to do all the time. Hai na? So thank you very much. All the best to all of you. Good
Okay.
night and see you in the morning again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.